What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called MAF, which has pumped up over 33% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, most of the pump did start very early this morning, going from about 9 cents at the moment, trading at just below 14 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, especially with 2023 just around the corner. Is MAFs a crypto that you must have in your wallet? How far can it go next year? And is it a must have crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, and then I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market is down 5%, guys. So yes, quite of a dip, shall I say, today. As you can see, Bitcoin has dropped back down to $16,000, which is not looking too great. However, MAFs has managed to gain one of the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it has managed to gain a massive 17% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 37%. Over the week, 24%. We can see it dropping here about yesterday, and then early this morning pumped up in value, and over the month it has more or less fluctuated, just about 2% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 190% in the last 24 hours, making it $982,000 in trading volume. Not that much compared to other cryptos, but there's no doubt that it's going to hit the $1 million mark over the coming hours, as more and more people will be trading the crypto as it is going up in value. We are going to see a lot of investors as well as a lot of sellers selling it on a profit potentially and reinvesting whenever it drops back down. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing MAFs at 0.1152. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in green at 0.1390, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here that the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning one thing is not realistic. And again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm not expecting any major increases in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. What I am expecting is more red candlesticks. And as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here to MAFs as well. So yes, I'm expecting it to drop back down to around the 12 cents target towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But don't get me wrong, in between that time, it's likely to hit about 14 to 15 cents as well. It's going to peak up in value and then drop back down, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day seems to be more around fluctuating around 11 to 12 cents is what my predictions are. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction. So once again, guys, the lines are looking very steep, meaning again it is not realistic. So yes, what I am expecting is an overall drop in value over the coming coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should be back down to around the 9 to 10 cents target is where I'm expecting MAFs to be trading at, unless they've got any major updates, major news that got going on that can have a potential positive impact on the value of MAFs. But nothing like that is predicted as of yet. So yes, overall over the next coming days, I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily start to drop back down in value, down to around the 9 to 10 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken quite a U-turn. Yes, the blue line is still looking bullish, still looking steep. However, the orange line is just about slanting towards the positive direction, not looking too steep at all, which means it is more or less realistic. So yes, and overall, minimal gain in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. So let's say late January, early February, we should expect an overall minimal gain in value on maths, potentially heading to around the 17 to 18 cents target is where I'm expecting maths to be trading at towards the end of January and early February. But again, it all depends on if there is a major crypto crash, major crypto bull run, price pump, so on and so on. These things may happen. Obviously 2022 has been moving, the crypto market in 2022 has been moving more towards the negative direction rather than the positive side. But again, this depends on how the next couple of weeks are for the crypto market. Hopefully we should see more green candles, more pumps, but again, it all depends. It's all about the waiting game. We're gonna have to wait and see what takes place. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone and we are in the lowest part of the red zone, meaning for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit the resistance line, which is here, which is at 83 cents, and us trading at just about 13 cents right now is going to require us to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from maths anytime soon. So potentially a good 400 to 500% increase is required for us to hit this target here, which I'm not expecting at the moment or anytime soon. So more or less for the next 6 to 8 months, I'm expecting it to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, heading towards the resistance line here, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far we are stuck in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my prediction on maths, guys. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto, so let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Again, we've only got less than 2 weeks left for 2022 to end. So in 2023, how far can it go? Are you guys investing? Are you guys selling? Or are you guys just holding on to it? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, if you guys are interested in maths updates, let me know in the comment section down below how often you guys want these updates, and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis. Or if you guys have any other crypto updates that you guys like, another cryptocurrency that you guys want me to cover on this channel that I haven't covered, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, which again I'm not close to anyway. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.